Hello and welcome to this new video. And today we are going to get into the world of intonation. Okay, intonation is very important, especially when we are talking about questions like in this video. And we only have two types of intonation. Okay, we have a rising intonation going up and a falling intonation going down. And the first one is for closed questions with yes or no answer, and the second one is for open questions with uh, WH questions like what, which, when, whose, who, why, where, how. Okay? So in this case, the intonation will go down. And we have to remember that these two arrows, okay, these two arrows that you see here that I'm using to represent the rising or the falling is called the glide. Okay, glide. In intonation is called the glide. And glide means deslizarse, planear. Like for example, like a glider. A glider is vuelo sin motor. Un avión de vuelo sin motor is called a glider. So we're going to glide because the falling or the rising is smooth. It goes up or down little by little. Okay, not like in a straight line. Okay, so we are going to learn to do the glide and we are going to start doing yes or no questions. Okay, we go up in pitch at the last stress word. This is very important. Okay, pitch, tono, el tono de la voz. In musical terms, pitch is tone of voice. High pitch or low pitch? High, low. Okay, so in this case, we are going to go up in pitch at the last stress word. Okay, and this is very important. And if we want to be more precise, we will go up at the last stressed syllable of the last stressed word. Okay, so for example, here, will they come home with us later? Later, okay, I'm representing here the arrow up, the glide. Will they come home with us later? Okay, later. Repeat that and work on it a few times. Did John transfer the money? The money. Okay, we are going up here at the glide, at the last stressed syllable of the last stressed words. Do you want to go to the cinema? Cinema, and then we go up, and the last two unstressed syllables, they have to be even, more on the upper pitch. Cinema. Did you do your homework? Again, did you do your homework? Okay, we're going up. Okay, excellent. So this is for the yes or no questions, rise in intonation. And then for the WH questions, a fall in intonation. Okay, we go down in pitch with the glide down. Okay, for example, what do you want? When did John transfer the money? Money. Okay, it's just like an affirmative statement, como una frase afirmativa o negativa. Al final del punto, down. Where did John transfer the money? If we say it in positive, we say, John transferred the money yesterday. We go down. Well, this is the same. When did John transfer the money? Where do you want to see the film? Where do you want to see the film? Okay, film. You see the glide? Film. And why did you do that? Why did you do that? That. Down. Okay? So, going up, okay, or going down. Rising intonation, falling intonation. Closed questions, open questions. Remember that because you want to be sure about this. There is a natural tendency to go up without questions, but if you study this video and practice a little bit, you will pronounce, you will do the perfect intonation in all types of questions. Thanks very much, and I will see you in the next video.